Good morning, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for Pandemonium Publishing House's Countdown to Literacy. And we are reading books from our various authors at Pandemonium Publishing House all this month as we count down some of our favorites. So we hope that you will follow along with us and that you're enjoying our storytelling and story time together. And you can check out our YouTube channel as well, Pandemonium Publishing House. If you search that on YouTube, all of our videos will come up. So today we are reading Cakes for Snakes. This is a book that is very special to me, and I wrote this, and Alex Cooper illustrated it for us. So here we go. Welcome to Master Snake, where three contestants will face each other in a cake-off. The best snaker will go home with money for a full-stocked, brand new snakery worth $1,582,402. The challenge, a cake in the shape of a pirate ship. You have 2 hours, and go. For Denver Ray, thank you for inspiring this book and for asking such wonderful questions such as, who makes cakes for snakes? Your creativity is endless, and I can't wait to see who you become. That's for my 3-year-old nephew who inspired this book. He's going to be 4, and he always comes up with the greatest questions. So, cakes for snakes. This week on Master Snake, we're facing off to see who the best snaker is. The top prize is a fully stocked brand new snakery worth $1,582,402. That's great, Steve. Let's meet our contestants. Rosie is a ball python who loves making cupcakes. Next is Barnaby. He's a king snake from California who loves everything chocolate. And last but not least, we have Cora, a coral snake who started baking in her mother's kitchen as a snakelet and has never stopped. It's time to get started. Back to you, Steve. Thanks, Joe. Contestants for this week's challenge and the grand prize, please make a cake in the shape of a pirate ship. You have 2 hours, and go. They're off to the pantry, and let's see what they're getting. Flour, eggs, icing sugar, food coloring, milk, oil, and butter. Looks good to me. Back to you, Steve. Let's check in with Cora. What are your plans for a pirate ship? Seem like a big challenge. Are you up to it? I sure am. I'm using a blackberry buttercream to give my pirate ship a purple undertone. And I'm using marshmallows to make a skull and crossbones. I think I'm pretty organized and confident. That's great. Thanks, Cora. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Barnaby, how are things going? You look a bit frazzled. Is everything okay? Yes, Joe. I forgot to preheat my oven in the excitement of this challenge, so I hope it doesn't come back to cost me the championship. Keep up the great work, Barnaby. The snakery's on the line. Stay focused. You've got this. Thanks, Joe. How's it going, Rosie? Going great, Joe. How do you feel about this challenge? A pirate ship cake in 2 hours? Make that in an hour and a half as we watch the clock wind down. Sure thing. I'm excited for this challenge because I come from a long line of pirates. So I feel like this challenge was meant for me. Snakery, here I come. That's the type of confidence we'd love to see. Thanks, Joe. Back to you, Steve. We're getting down to the wire, Joe. This is very exciting stuff. We can see the cake starting to take shape, and in no time, they'll be decorating them. I hope they taste as good as they look, Steve. Me too. Do you smell something burning? Oh dear, smoke is pouring out of Barnaby's oven. Let's go take a look. What happened, Barnaby? I made a mistake, Steve. I turned the oven up to 450 degrees because I forgot to preheat it earlier. So I thought I'd make up the lost time. Turns out I have to start over since this cake is ruined. Do you think there's enough time? Only 30 minutes left. I'm not sure, but I have to try. That's the spirit. We'll let you get back at it. What an unfortunate situation, but let's see if he can pull through and finish his cake on time. Contestants, we're down to the remaining 5 minutes. When the buzzer sounds, please stop baking and prepare to present your cakes to the judges. Remember, not only does your cake have to look great, but it has to taste great too. 3, 2, 1. Please put down your tools. Let's start with Rosie first. Please present your cake to the judges. This looks great. A perfect pirate ship. Coloring is excellent, and I love the cannon sticking out of the side made from chocolate wafers. It adds a bit something extra. Yes, it looks incredible. Let's have a taste. Oh, this doesn't taste right. It's very salty. Rosie, what happened? Well, Joe, I may have accidentally used salt instead of sugar in the batter. I think that I mixed them up. You definitely did. That's unfortunate. Next up is Barnaby. Okay, your cake is totally black and not just the icing. Is a bit overcooked and still smoking. Let's try some. Unfortunately, when I put my fork into the cake to take a bite, it disintegrated in front of me. I'm sorry it didn't work out for you, Barnaby. Our final contestant remaining is Cora. Let's take a look. It certainly looks delicious. The skull and crossbones pirate flag is fabulous. Look at all those marshmallows. Agreed, it's a work of art. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. My goodness, this is delicious. One of the best cakes I've ever tasted. Definitely. It's smooth and creamy and perfectly iced. Well done. Judges, have you come to your decision? Absolutely, Steve. Thank you all for participating and for all of your hard work. The winner of the brand new, fully stocked snakery is Cora. Congratulations. I don't know what to say. I'm shocked and so thrilled. This is the happiest day of my life. Thank you so much. A job well done. Well deserved, Cora. And that is the end of the story. So we've got Steve, who is host number 1, and he's a California red-sided garter snake located in California, North America, and his biome is coastal dunes and marshes. And we've got Joe, which is a green tree snake located in the Melanesia region, and his biome is a tropical rainforest. Cora, who the winner is a coral snake located in North America, and she has a various biome. Judge number 1 is a corn snake, and he is located in Southeast USA, loves dry open plains and forests. Then we've got Rosie, who is a ball python, the sub-Saharan Africa, grasslands and open forests are her biome. Barnaby, California king snake, Western North America, grasslands, desert, marshes are his favorite place to live. Rat snake was located in North America, various biomes, and a rubber boa, North America, various grasslands, forests, and alpines. So I hope that you've enjoyed this book. I really love all of the detail. I especially love this face of the snake right here, which I think is so funny. And I love all the little details that have been put in. We've got the heart eyes, we've got all of these wafers, we've got a skull and crossbones with marshmallows. All of these fun things really make the book. And you might see a celebrity guest judge kind of right here if you've ever watched Master Chef. That was one of my favorite shows to watch. I love cooking shows. I don't know why. Probably because I don't have to clean up the mess. But I hope that you enjoyed this book, and you can find out where all of our books are at pandamoniumpublishing.com/shop to see our full collection. Or you can do it a different way. You can go to our website, pandamoniumpublishing.com, and go to the menu and click on book listing. You're going to find all of our titles available there with a little bit about them beside each title. So thanks so much for counting down to literacy with me, and I hope that you have a really fabulous Tuesday. Thanks again, and we'll chat soon.